What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog, most of my subscribers kept asking me what happened to my bike. That is my Harley Davidson. Yes, the bike is not there because that's where I park my bike. So unfortunately my bike is at service center. So we have been going through a lot of issues with the bike lately. Service and battery was low, as well as I had broken my stand springs. So we'll just head out to the service station and let's find out what's going on with the bike. Right then, so we have finally made it. So that's the place, Domon Customs. So these guys are into servicing all these high-end bikes. I believe they service from 300cc Benellis and upwards. So this is the showroom. So I'll take you in, rather the service station, not the showroom, right? So he does sell. Oh, that's my bike. Yes, my bike is there. Okay, so that's the store. So we are going in, and yeah, that's our man. Hi Kaushik, welcome to my vlog. Hello. So that's Kaushik. So he's the man in charge here. So you got a couple of bikes, beauties rather. So this is a Boat King, and then you have a fairly stock SUPERLOW, pretty much stock, yeah, and a Straight Glide. So Super Glide, sorry, my bad. Super Glide, right? And then there's our bike. So as you guys asked, what all was wrong with the bike? So I let Kaushik explain it. So it was due for the service as well. So Kaushik, can I have you here? So what is wrong with the bike?
Other things were, one was the left indicator that you had mentioned. That particular unit is actually gone. So that needs to be replaced.
Okay.
Like, all the supply is coming, so that
Okay.
there's nothing wrong with the power supply. The unit actually is wrong.
Ouch. Okay.
Apart from that, we have changed the brake pads.
Okay.
Your oil filter. And apart from that, the battery has been ordered. It's
On its way, right?
being, when you charge it, it's kind of taking load and starting sometime, but after about maybe 2 or 3 turns, it immediately drops and
Okay.
operating to start. So battery is on its way. I think it should be reaching probably by either by today or tomorrow.
Okay.
But beyond that, and also the side stand spring.
The side stand spring.
Since you've lowered it so much,
Yes.
it keeps screaming on all the
Yes. So the
pumps and everything. So
Yes.
that's why it's the spring is taking it.
It
Actually,
falls
just taking it to the wedding shop and trying to see if
Okay.
we can put a separate bracket over there to actually stay the original existing hole.
Alright, so that's about it guys. So those are the issues that I was facing, and that's the reason I haven't been riding much. So I'll give you a breakage of the bill as well, so that you guys can have a look at it, and you guys will know what are the expenses goes into maintaining all these kind of bikes, and maybe that'll be helpful for you guys as well. And he does sell used bikes too, so you do deal with used bikes as well, right?
Pretty much. Majority of the bikes that we actually are dealing with are mostly Harleys, but if you have something specific that you have in mind at a particular budget and things like that, you can let me know.
Okay.
And I can check and see if something's there that's available at that price range.
Done. So you guys service all the other bikes as well.
It's actually all bikes about 200 pieces.
Okay.
But majority of my clientele are Harleys. So
Harleys.
just so happens to be 90% of my clientele
Are from Harleys.
Harley customers. So,
Alright, so that's about it guys. So this is the place, so this is the service center. So if you guys wanna, you guys plan on buying a bike, or you wanna get your bike serviced, you guys can visit this place. I will have his address and contact details in the description below, so that you guys can check it out. And I believe as of now you have this bike on sale. This is for sale, right?
that one is for sale.
Yeah, so this one is for sale. So for the details you can just contact him. I'll just show you the bike around. And yes, okay, so I'm just gonna fire it up. cluster indicator lights or whatever they call it as. They call it as cluster indicator lights, right?
It's an LED, yeah,
Clusters.
yeah, it's basically an LED indicator.
Indicator. So this had two settings. So one is the ring lights, and the other one is the indicator, amber indicator. I'll show you on the other side. So, once you're on, okay, so yeah, it used to work like this. So you get the cluster lights. The camera is not able to focus it, and that's the indicator. And then it turns off, and then it goes back to the white. So unfortunately, the other side is not working. So we're trying to figure out what can be done. Oh, there it is. That's the light. Okay. We're trying to figure out what can be done. Should I change it or not? Yeah, so unfortunately I won't be getting my bike today, so because of the battery thing. So maybe by tomorrow, most probably.
Most probably. Yeah.
Most probably. Done. So. All right, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. All right. So we are back. This is day 2 officially. We are heading out towards the Domon customs. It's that way, and then head straight. So we are heading out now. We're just gonna find out if the bike is ready today, because I was promised the bike would be ready today. I'm accompanied with Melvin. He's driving the car, right? Hi, Mel. Welcome back to the vlog. Hi, Kevin. Welcome back to the vlog. So Kevin, Mel are joining me today. As today we took the Vigo, as you guys would have seen it. Pretty hot. Bangalore is not like before, so we decided to take the car today. And first stop, fuel station. This is what happens when you drive around a petrol Toyota Innova. Alright, so let's get this thirsty guy drunk, and then we'll continue the vlog. You buckled up, is it? Okay, that was just a quick speed run. Thanks, Mel. Nice driving, by the way. Alright, so we made it. Domon Customs. Hope the bike is ready. Oh shit, I forgot my wallet and my phone. No wallet and phone. Thank you. Go in. That's a nice speed rod. Hey, bold. Bike is ready. Wow. Hey, bro. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. That's okay. Hi, 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 hi. Greasy hands. Bike is ready. Kaushik. Hey, Kau. Morning. Rather afternoon. Alright, so he's here. So we'll finish off the billing and we'll head out. So Kau, we are almost done, right?
Yeah.
So okay. So what is the total bill?
Total bill came to 28,690.
Okay.
Which basically included the full service, the oil filter, air filter. Air filter was a stock. Yeah.
Okay.
From HARLEY. And the company of brake pads plus the battery as well. Battery of course, like I said, it needs to come in, but it is still run. At least for a day or two.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So indicator is also done, right? Yeah. So we are going with the stock bulbs. Oh, looks bad, right? How about the other one? Oh, it looks so. That's okay. I mean, thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Thank you. So it's gonna be a cold start, right? Cold start. No, why? You guys started it already? Cheh. I missed it. Next time, yours, next time. Wash. Oh, got it. So it's official, my bike is back, so now I can get to ride it. I've been waiting for this. Alright, so time to head out. Thank you so much, brother.
No worries.
Thank you. The bike service is done. And so, yeah, I got to fuel up. We'll do that on our way. But I'm full tank, okay? Okay. என்ன சொன்னாங்க? பரவாயில்ல பேசுங்க. என்ன சொன்னீங்க? ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Okay. That's the clock. So my bike has done 22,801 kilometers in total. We'll just set the trip to 0. And I'm gonna head back home. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel too. Cheers guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.